I'm Jean Sabian from VZ Weeks. We get a lot of calls this time of year from people wanting to know what information they need to pull their tax return together. Whether you're doing it yourself or bringing it to an accountant, you need the same information. The first thing you'll need is a W-2 from your employer. If you worked 2 jobs or changed jobs during the year, you'll have a W-2 from each of those employers, and you need to get them to us. We need to add them all together. The second thing you'll need is any 1099s that come to you. Anything that comes in the mail that says 1099 in it, you need to put together and bring to us, and we'll evaluate them. If you own your own home, there are a number of things we need to see. We need a 1098 that's issued by whoever holds your mortgage. We need your property insurance statements, and we need anything that had to do with purchasing or selling property. During the closing, you'll receive a HUD statement, which we need to see. In Massachusetts, you're required to have health insurance. That health insurance provider will issue a 1099-HC to you, which proves you have coverage. That information needs to go on your Massachusetts tax return, so we need to see that. If you've had a new baby during the year, we need to know that. We need the Social Security number and the date of birth of that child. These are just returns for these are just information for a basic return. Anything extra that you have, you need to let us know. If you have any questions about anything that you get, you need to write them down and give it to us to evaluate. If you've paid estimates during the year, we need to know how much you paid and what date you paid it on. That information goes in your return, and if it's not correct, it will generate a letter from the IRS requiring you to file an amended tax return later in the year. Please be sure to write down anything you can think of. Don't say, do I need to do this? Just write it down and give it to us. As always, you should consult a tax advisor about any of these situations.